Hello, this is Jordan from Nexus Property Management, and we are going to look at 38 Foster Street, New Bedford, Unit 3. This is a nice, cozy, third floor apartment. It is a studio. We have nice soft carpets here and freshly painted walls in this unit. This unit does have small storage closets and a larger closet in the main room. Here we have the kitchen area right here. This unit is located in downtown New Bedford, so you are located next to a lot of services, including City Hall, bus transit, and many storefronts. Here we have the bathroom. This unit does not come with a full-size tub, but a stand-up shower. Let's see here. Another storage closet in the corner there. This unit also has off-street parking, and the gas is included, so tenant would only be responsible for electricity and internet and phone services. Again, this is 38 Foster Street, New Bedford, Unit 3.